Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
A hearty welcome to you all to SEED, Sindhi Eco Club of English Department. Eco Club is a voluntary group which promotes the participation of students to learn about and improve their environment. This helps the youth of the day to understand their immediate environment and take action to improve it. SEED, Sindhi Eco Club of English Department, was inaugurated to motivate the students of our college about their responsibility towards the world they live in. The main objective of SEED is to motivate the students to keep their surroundings green by undertaking plantation drive, promote water conservation, and educate them to minimize the use of plastic. Nature is a miracle we depend upon. As a first project, Greening, a social awareness campaign about plastic, was conducted on 28th December 2018 at Madurai. Nearly 50 students of our department eagerly participated in it. The program began with a rally around Krishna Nahar. The students shouted slogans and carried placards displaying the harmful effects of plastic. Through songs, skits, speeches, and slogans, our students explained the harmful effect of plastic. This event was published in the Madurai Time newspaper. FETIL, an outreach program on health and hygiene, was conducted for the students of Government High School, Velappanjavadi. Songs, speeches, skits were performed to educate the students about good eating habits and cleanliness. Dr. Green Juice Day was celebrated on 26th January 2019 to promote and create awareness on healthy living. Amla juice, bitter gourd juice, neem juice, mint and lemon juice, and Bermuda grass juice were prepared by the faculty coordinators Mrs. G. Tamilchelvi and Mrs. S. Shubhapriya. As humans, it's a collective and individual responsibility to preserve and tend to the world in which we all live in. The academic year 2019 and 20 began with the tree plantation drive Pasumai. The faculty coordinator and the student members of the Eco Club participated in the Tree for Birds program. It is a mass sapling plantation drive at the Parithupattu Lake organized on 27/7/2019. The program was conducted by the Isha Project Green Hands and Mafoy Foundation in the memory of the late President APJ Abdul Kalam's death anniversary. The chief guests for the day were Minister Mafa K. Pandirajan Sir, Mrs. Maheshwari Ravikumar IAS, Tiruvallur District Collector, Mr. K. Ramamurthy, Commissioner Avadi, and Mr. Paranichami, Executive Engineer PWD Tiruvallur. Project H2O, the Eco Club, took part in the Porur Lake Cleaning Project organized by the NGO Aatrupadai on 14th December 2019. Our students cleaned 2 km stretch of Porur Lake surrounding the Madananandapuram area. They helped to collect nearly 20 bags of garbage from the surrounding area. EGAI, a sapling donation program, was organized by Mrs. S. Shobana, Head of Department of English. Along with the faculty coordinators of Eco Club, Mrs. S. Shobana donated saplings to the management of Vani Nursery and Primary Schools as part of the Eco Club project. The faculty coordinators and the Head of Department English addressed the students and the staff of Vani Nursery Primary School about the importance of planting trees to create a green environment. The management were very happy to receive such a unique gift.
Liberal Ecology Workshop. A workshop on liberal ecology was conducted by the Eco Club on 10/1/2020. Mr. Karthigeyan Imayavaramban, the founder and president of the NGO Aatrupadai, and Mrs. Valentina Maheshwari Durai, vice president of Aatrupadai, were the resource persons. Mr. Karthigeyan Imayavaramban captured the attention of the audience in his unique humorous style of presentation and sent across the serious message of global warming, deforestation, food adulteration, and exploitation of nature by humans. He stressed on the need to join hands to work towards the preservation of our environment. After the lecture, there was an interactive session where the resource persons answered the questions asked by our students. Herbal Garden Inauguration. A herbal garden was inaugurated in the college premises by our Secretary Sri J.C. Prakash Sir, Treasurer Sri Om Prakash Sir, and the Principal Dr. K. Satyanarayana Sir on 26th January 2020. The herbal garden was initiated by SEED, Sindhi Eco Club of English Department, and supported by the IQAC. Mr. G. Mullaivanam, known as the tree man of the famous Mullaivanam Tree Bank, donated the saplings. Mr. Mullaivanam is the backbone of Dr. Abdul Kalam Green Project and supported actor Vivek in supplying and transporting tree saplings to various districts of Tamil Nadu. He explained the medicinal properties of the plants. World Wetland Day. SEED, Sindhi Eco Club of English Department, celebrated World Wetland Day on 3rd February 2020. World Wetland Day is celebrated every year throughout the world on 2nd February. The international theme for the year 2020-21 is Wetland Biodiversity and Climate Change. This event was organized to inculcate the importance of wetlands to our biodiversity and the climate change in the minds of the students. Chart display, speech and PPT presentation was organized for the students. Eden Nursery Inauguration. A nursery, Eden, with 1,000 seed bags was inaugurated by our principal, Dr. K. Satyanarayana sir, on 21st February 2020 inside the college campus. Mr. G. Mullaivanam, the tree man of India, was the chief guest. Mr. Karthigeyan Imayavaramban, the founder and president of the NGO Atrapadai, and Mrs. Valentina Maheshwari Durai, Vice President of Atrapadai, also graced the occasion and spent their valuable time with our students. Mr. G. Mullaivanam presented the seeds of trees like Punari, Kalyana Murungai and Puvarasu. Our students filled the bags with soil, planted the seeds and watered them. The HODs, faculties and students from various departments participated in the event. After arranging them in the nursery, the students and the faculty took an oath administered by Mr. G. Mullaivanam. They promised to save the Mother Earth by preserving the environment. Mr. Mullaivanam said, told the students that these seeds sown by them would become trees and help in balancing the ecology in the future. Garden maintenance. The herbal garden and the nursery is maintained by the faculty and student members of Eco Club. Every day, student and the faculty of the Eco Club turns to water the plants and clean the weeds. Garden. A college has an excellent garden from which greens and vegetables are sold to the staff members from time to time. Vermicompost pit. The faculty coordinators of the Eco Club took great efforts for the formation of the vermicompost pit in the college campus. They selected the place for the pit, made arrangements for the JCP and worked for nearly 8 hours till the pit was dug. The fallen leaves from the trees in the college campus and the biodegradable waste are collected in the pit. Cow dung from the Koshala located nearby are brought by the gardeners and dropped inside the pit for the formation of the compost. This vermicompost pit is maintained by the Eco Club. Chris Department Garden. To inculcate the concept of gardening, a department garden was started on 29 February 2020 in the Department of English. Mint, coriander, fenugreek, ginger and mustard were sown in 4 different trays. G. Lalita, Adi Lakshmi, Radha Lakshmi of 2nd BA English and S. Preetika of 1st BA English were given in charge of maintaining the growth of these plants. Eco Club Tour. 11 faculty and 60 students from the Department of English visited the Adayar Punga on 7th March 2020. The students were given an orientation about the creation of the Adayar Park for sustaining the ecology around the Adayar River. They looked at the rare and unique varieties of trees and species around the ecosystem. The visit was a great learning experience for the students. They realized the importance of preserving our environment to save our planet. Proposed activities for 2020-21: creating new volunteer group, conducting competitions, making our campus more green, and making our campus plastic free too. Thank you.